Okay, let's start from copy month to our sheet here, and then prepare for 12 question, sequence of 12. Then this is salary, and change this to table, and then classic fill down. So select blank and equal top cell here, and then calculate the hour by total hour for each employee by each month. Then multiply by the salary from payroll sheet. So we look up here, and the column is mapped on month on top row here, and exact match. Then copy project name from to here, and then paste transpose here. Then total sum if on salary, on employee, and by project. So just change project to cell here, and change employee to employee name. Then just find minimum of all this grid and only show the name. So just repeat with name and month, but only when the cell is equal to minimum. So first one is Jonah in June, and this one change to max. This one is Allen, project A, so this is E and A, and then prepare to link from question 3 here. Then calculate project by month. So sum if work out by month here, and by project here, and just auto sum here, and then copy. I need 4 times, so 1 2 3 here. Then this one change from hour work to salary. This one I need the payment from customer, so I need to go another sheet here. Sum if this one by month and by project. Yeah, then link back to project here and month. So I change M to top row here. This is salary based on receipt based on salary, so divide by total salary, multiply by receipt here, and here is receipt, divide by payment of salary, and this one we already calculate from June, so sum from Jan to June minus salary from Jan to June again. Copy down, and this one is average salary by hour. Okay. Then the first one is project F, and this is the most project is G. This is salary on January, total salary here, and this is A, so maximum 41 something. This is total payment on July, receipt on January, and total receipt on June. Then maximum is this one, project C, and only one with negative, project G. Done. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.